Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can exclude unnecessary files like build files to our GitHub commit. So open your project using VS Code or something, and you can open your terminal here, and what you have to do in the command prompt, you have to type the command touch.gitignore, and this will make a file called .gitignore, and using this file we can mention what are the files and folders we should avoid in our commit. Okay, so this will make the file for us, and you have to open that file using some text editor. We can use open.gitignore, and I will attach some text file in the video description so you can download that, and you have to paste that text in this gitignore file. Okay, then you can save this. Okay, now you can do your commit, maybe using GitHub desktop or command line. So those unnecessary files and folders will be excluded for your commit. Alright, thank you very much.